Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Create a free Digistore24 account and complete your profile with payout details. Browse the marketplace to find categories that match your audience interests. Choose a focused niche to promote products with clear buyer intent. Filter offers by commission rate and vendor reputation for better results. Expect commissions up to 70% and cookie durations commonly around 30 days. Link tracking is automatic, but add UTM tags for better analytics. Keep your account information accurate to avoid payout delays and compliance issues. Start offer selection by filtering the marketplace for conversion rate and commission data. Prioritize products that show stable sales history and low refund percentages. Filter offers by conversion rate and average commission, aiming for 2% to 5% conversions. Check the product's EPC and refund rates before promoting any offer to minimize risk. Choose at least 3 complementary products to test across campaigns and traffic sources. Negotiate higher commissions with vendors when you produce consistent conversions and affiliate sales volume. Create a promotion plan that mixes organic content, email, social, and paid ads. Build an email list and aim to reach 1,000 engaged subscribers before scaling aggressively. Use blog posts, YouTube videos, and short social clips to explain product benefits and include affiliate links. Start paid campaigns with conservative budgets, for example 0 per day, while you test creatives and audiences. Run a/B tests on landing pages and ads and track conversions to find winning combinations. Scale budgets on campaigns that produce profitable returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.